Sabi nila average millionaire, 'di ba, has 7 multiple income streams. Naniniwala ka ba doon or na-discuss na rin natin 'to kanina, no?
Discuss na 'to, eh. So, pero totoo but it doesn't have to be. Puwede
Yeah, it
kang
doesn't have
maging
to
one
be
stream, two
and
stream.
yeah, take it slowly lang din kasi nga
Yes,
hindi naman kumbaga focus is
wala
power pa rin, 'di ba?
yep,
Yan.
100%.
Eh, ito, you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with. Totoo ba 'yan?
'Yan totoo 'yan. Sadly totoo 'yan. So, one of the things that I looked at after the pandemic, marami akong kasama na mga tao because after ng pandemic kasi marami akong activities na iba na
Yes.
hindi na business related ba. Tiningnan ko, employee ito parang hindi na magandang crowd. So, refocus tayo, build again ng mga bagong kasama. So,
Mm.
at least now 2 years back at lalo na bumalik na activities natin sa TRC. So